Hey everyone, it's Mindy with This Fairy Tale Life, and I'm here at Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel. We're checking in, and I can't wait to show you around. This is one of 3 hotels here at the Disneyland Resort in Anaheim, California. So let's go take a look inside. Here we are at room 1311. Take a look at the hallway and the carpet. It's really pretty. It's all beach theme. So let's take a look inside. So this is a 2 queen bed room, standard view. Again, at Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel. These rooms are super roomy. So right off the door is the bathroom, and there is 1 sink with a huge counter. Of course, you have all of the Disney toiletries. And then there's a really big tub and shower combo. And then look at this really fun shower curtain with the hidden Mickeys. So cute. All right, right here there's a huge closet. Lots of space. Lots of hangers. There's a pack and play. And then on the other side there is tons of storage, extra blankets, shelving, things like that. And then on the other side here is a little area with a coffee maker and some extra storage here too. Then moving into the main room, here's the 2 beds. And I love these fun Pixar pillows. And then on the other side here, there's some additional storage space, TV, some drawers. Behind here there is a safe and a mini fridge. And lots of fun details up here. And then even here the artwork, Donald be at the beach, so cute. Between the 2 beds there is a little nightstand with a drawer. The clock does have some USB ports. You know that that's really important to me. But I wish there was a little more outlets between the 2 beds. However, over here on the other side, there is a desk with a couple outlets, so that's helpful. And again, lots of cute details like this nautical lamp, so cute. And then this is a little day bed, so it's a sofa, and you can pull it out to be used as a bed, or you can use it for storage. And then just to show you what the view is like. So this is a standard view with the parking lot. And we do have kind of a pool view. You have to look down. But there's the pool for Paradise Pier. So yeah. There it is again, the entire room. Really excited to stay here. And thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Mindy with This Fairy Tale Life at Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel in Anaheim, California, near Disneyland. Yay!